How to fix a frozen bathtub drain without ruining it by the Bathtubber. A bathtub drain can freeze if there's standing water in the trap or anywhere in the line. A bathtub drain can also freeze if there's a slow drip from the faucet or a leak in insulation that allows wind to hit the pipe. If you've ruled out other possibilities like a hairball in the drain or mineral deposits and you're confident you simply have a frozen bathtub drain, there are DIY solutions to save you the cost of a plumber. The caveat here is that these solutions will only work if the frozen mass isn't too far down the piping from the tub. Here's a non-toxic recipe to fix your frozen bathtub drain. Pour 1/2 cup of dry baking soda down the drain. Dissolve 1 cup of table salt in 2 gallons of boiling water. Now pour 1 cup of white vinegar down the bathtub drain. Finally, pour the saltwater solution down the drain to melt any chunks of ice. Warning: you don't want to substitute unknown chemicals in this recipe because you could cause a chemical reaction that not only bursts your pipes, but also flies up through the drain and hits your face. Here's another method to fix your frozen bathtub drain. Warm the pipe. To unfreeze the drain pipe, try warming it up. Obviously, electricity and water are a dangerous combination. So be careful and never use an open flame to try to warm your pipes. Try warming the pipe by removing the stopper and flooding the pipe with hot air. Or use a hairdryer and shoot the air directly into the drain. You can also try wrapping a metal pipe with heat tape. Warning: since heat tape is electrical, be sure it's not going to come into contact with water from a leak. Note that heat tape can damage a plastic pipe. But if your bathtub drain is still frozen? If your drain is still frozen, you can call a plumber. According to HomeAdvisor.com, expect to pay between $42 and $200 an hour, depending on where you live. Here's how to prevent your tub drain from freezing again. Keep the inside temperature above 65 degrees Fahrenheit. In anticipation of a freeze, turn off the water lines and be sure to drain the water that's still in the pipes. Inspect the water lines that run to your bathroom and the drain pipe vent and stack. If any of these run through uninsulated attics or crawl spaces, consider adding more insulation. Some experts say to leave a slow drip from the cold tap to prevent freezing. Even if your bathtub drain froze, there's no need to ruin it. If you have a drain basket covering the pipe, you don't need to remove it all before using the mini volcano or hairdryer techniques. Once you melt the ice block in your bathtub drain, you'll be able to hop right into a steamy bath.